Mombasa County.
Now, the current floods witnessed countrywide have claimed the lives of 219 Kenyans, according to official government statistics. The statistics further say that at least 6,000 Kenyans have been displaced from their homes by the heavy rains and floods and are in dire need of help. And as Clement Masombo now reports, the government has announced the establishment of more than 100 camps to provide shelter to those affected.
As rains continue in different parts of the country, a report from the Ministry of Interior shows that at least 219 Kenyans have died as a result of the effects of the heavy rains across the nation. 164 more Kenyans have sustained injuries, while 72 others are still missing. As of Saturday, the government had set up 138 camps in 18 counties, which are used to provide temporary shelter to people displaced by floods. The government says that 62,000 Kenyans have been displaced. And as heavy rains continue in Nyeri County, Wangondo Dam in Kieni constituency broke its banks on Friday night, causing huge losses after its water swept clean acres of farms in the area.
As a department, we have been helping the victims. Right now, we have some victims who are being housed, who are moved to a school in Udhaya. There are about 20 families there, and we have assisted them together with the stakeholders like the national government.
Hasari tunapitia tu ni kwa chaba. Unajua chaba zimekuwa na maji mingi. Sasa hakuna mafuno. Hatutaraji mafuno kama viazi, maharagwe, hatutaraji. Kwa sababu sote
tunaendelea kuhimiza. Unapata changamoto ile kubwa kabisa ni kwamba wananchi wenye madamu wanafunga spillways. Na spillway ukifunga maji inazidi ile kiwango inafaa kubebwa na hiyo damu, na ikizidi inasukuma kuta zake.
In Nairobi, at least 300 families from Nkuru kwa Ruben slums received food and non-food items from Action Aid. The families are victims of flooding in the city.
Today we are supporting 360 households with food and non-food items ranging from rice, flour, sanitary towels, protective women rights issues, looking at issues of menstrual hygiene.
Kwa hivyo watoto wote ambao wanafaa kuwa shuleni saa hii na wako nyumbani, tafadhali tuhakikishe ya kwamba tunatengenezea mazingira safi pale nyumbani ya wao kuendelea kusoma kwa vikundi ili tusipate watoto wakirandarana.
As the rains continue, the government has insisted on asking Kenyans to exercise caution and come to the aid of those in need of support. Clement Masombo, KTN News.
Meanwhile, the number of people who have been confirmed dead in the Mai Mahiu flash floods tragedy has risen to 58. The Chief of Defense Forces, General Charles Kahariri, today visited the scene to oversee the search and recovery exercise, which is now being led by the KDF. 2 bodies were today recovered from the scene. These comes as parts of Nakuru and Baringo counties experienced heavy flooding after more riverbanks broke their banks. Meanwhile, the Law Society of Kenya has issued the government seeking to know its contingency plans on disasters, including the ongoing floods. Ken Gashohe reports.
A day after his swearing in, the Chief of Defense Forces, General Charles Kahariri, toured the scene of the Mai Mahiu flash floods tragedy, overseeing the search and recovery exercise for bodies of persons who are still missing. Today, the exercise led in the recovery of 2 bodies, a man and a minor, bringing the total number of people who died in the tragedy to 58. According to police records, the recovered bodies include those of 10 men, 16 women, 16 boys and 15 girls, and a human skull. This comes as River Ndarugu in Njoro, Nakuru County broke its banks and flooded several homes and farms. Beeston Trading Center was heavily affected by the heavy rains.
Tena kurudi kama saa 12 hivi tena ndio hii karudi. Nikafikiria ati inakuja kidogo. Kurudi kuangalia ni mingi. Hata nikajaribu kutoka nikashindwa, sasa nikarudi kulala. Ndio nikuja, halikuja mzee mmoja, na kijana mmoja wakakuja na gase. Ndio nikawekewa, alafu nikatoka nje.
Tulingangana na maji mpaka tukatoka, lakini sisi hatuna mahali ya kukaa. Manguo hatuna, yenye tu tulijiokolea kutoka nayo, tukaenda kwa mtu akatusaidia kwa mahali ya kulala.
River Malewa, which sources its waters from Nyandarua County and drains into Lake Naivasha, is also at the verge of bursting its banks near Delamere Stopover Point along the Nairobi-Nakuru Highway. The situation was the same in Marigat, Baringo County, where 5 villages have been marooned after Perkera and Molo rivers burst their banks, with one person being swept away by the waters yet to be found.
Kuna msee mmoja ereka yangu hapo ndani huko bari na Sanu. Na mimi sijui kama umetoka wapadu. Enyewe nataka serikali angalie sisi apatie usaidizi.
Meanwhile, the Law Society of Kenya has sued the government, demanding the concerned ministries to prepare and present a contingency plan on prevention, surveillance and control of disasters in the country, including the ongoing floods. According to the society, the country is in a serious weather crisis and the government's approach was a knee-jerk reaction to the detriment of Kenyans. Among those sued include Interior CS Kithure Kindiki, Education CS Ezekiel Machogu, his transport counterpart Kipchumba Murkomen, Attorney General Justin Muturi, and the National Disaster Management Authority. The state officers and agency have until Monday to present their responses before Nakuru High Court Judge Justice Samuel Mohochi. Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.
Now, more than 30,000 families have been evacuated by the government in Kiambu.